Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the DNS errors on your Windows. I'm just going to share to you very simple fixes for this, so let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for Command Prompt. Then on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator so that you will be given administrative rights in running this command. Now here in this block window, you need to type this command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Hit enter. Now it will state that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So simply type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method is we need to make sure that our network adapter is up to date. So simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Device manager under the best match, simply click on that. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate your network adapters. And then you need to locate your network adapter in the list. Now, on how you can know that that is your network adapter, press the Windows key and letter R button together. Here you need to type ncpa.cpl, hit enter. Let me minimize this. So as you can see, I have the network adapter Realtek, and here it is the Realtek. So simply make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close out of here. And then for the next method is we also need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Maximize this window. Here you need to locate your connection. Now simply make a right click, then you have to select properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to locate the Internet Protocol version 6 or the IPv6. Make sure that this is disabled. Again, make sure this is disabled. On how you can disable that. If this is checked in your case, the box for the IPv6, just simply uncheck this. Then you have to click on OK and close out of here. And by that, you have just disabled the IPv6. And for the final method, I can suggest to try to restart your router. Restarting your router can be very simple, but that can be very helpful in fixing the issue. Turn off your router and then wait for a few seconds. Then you need to turn it on again. And after you have restarted your router, you need to also restart your Windows or your computer. Simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.